don't know if you've ever watched this Korean cooking competition show called Culinary Class Wars, I think it is in English. And it is a show where renowned Korean chefs compete against each other. And in one of the final rounds, they're in this paradise kitchen. Basically, they're being provided with a paradise pantry full of really good ingredients that they can choose however they want to make as many dishes as they want during the time allocated for that particular challenge. So I don't know how many hours it was, but basically each time they prepare a dish, they go and present it to the judges who give them a score. And obviously, because this is a competition, they have to reach the highest score possible so that they can move automatically to the finals. What's interesting about that is how each chef faced that paradise pantry. Some of them will just, run inside and grab as many ingredients as possible to make as many dishes as possible so that they can, try and improve their score as many times as possible. Then others will walk into the pantry and then freeze because, there are so many ingredients, so many things. Oh my God, where do I start? What do I do? And it will take them quite some time to actually decide what to do. And then there are others who would walk in after, careful consideration and thoughts, and they would decide what ingredients to pick. And they would consciously decide to cook just one dish in the whole time allocated to them. Why am I telling you this? What's it got to do with AI? Well, I feel that today, and this is something I felt really strongly last year, 2025, today we are facing this sort of AI pantry, AI Paradise Pantry, where you have as many AI tools as possible. You have many AI platforms where you are being offered services and tools to help you do almost anything, right? But I think that the danger is to fall into this frantic anxiety-producing swirl of AI gurus telling you have to use this tool, that tool to produce this and that, otherwise you'll fall behind. And even if you're not, listening to any particular AI guru, you'll probably look at all these AI tools available and think, where do I start? What do I do? Shall I, just use it as an improved version of Google? Because, as I said in the previous video, you can use it to answer many questions. There are bottomless wells of answers. Or you can craft or even buy ready-made prompts to help you improve your workflow and ultimately your productivity. Or you can use it to clone yourself. Actually, in one of my previous videos, someone said, I prefer the natural version of you versus the AI version of you, but this was not AI generated. So today, sometimes people can't even tell whether it is you speaking or some AI clone. This is how scary this has become. Just so you know, I've never used an AI clone of myself. If I were to do so one day, I will let you know. Yes, I will. As you also already know, you can use AI to generate images and videos for you, and music as well. Today, you have so many AI tools that it's not that the sky is the limit anymore. It's this galaxy is the limit. I think that really human imagination is a beautiful thing and will always be a beautiful thing. And it's not about human competing against AI. It's about how humans can use AI to help them in their creative process. And especially if you're a multipassionate, a multipotentialite, think of AI as your assistant. Do not fall prey to that anxiety-inducing trend of, oh my God, I have to use that AI tool no matter what, You don't have to learn and perfect the use of a specific tool without even knowing what you're going to use it for, right? You first need to define clearly what your next step is going to be, what your next goal is, what it is that you want to achieve before you decide how you want to do it, before you choose the tool you're going to use to achieve that goal, right? I mean, that seems obvious. Anyway, maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. But just stay true to yourself, stay calm, and just like the winner of that cooking challenge I told you about was this chef who's decided to use the whole time to create just one dish. Maybe you can just, take your time and carefully decide what you want to do. And then you have plenty of tools at your disposal to do that. So yeah, take a deep breath, remain true to yourself, do what you would like to do, at your own pace. Be blessed.